I have one of my computer keys sticking, and my son told me how to do this, and I tried it and it worked real easy, so I wanted to show some other people in case they were having trouble. This computer is brand new, but it did have a key that wouldn't work well. So here's what you do. You take the key and you get your fingers under there and you gently pull up, keep pulling, some pressure, pull, and it'll pop. And you take it off, and if you break one of these keys, you can buy replacements. So just so you know. Now check this little cushion here, this air cushion, see if it's working right. If it is, then just take a little alcohol, take the debris that's out of there, and then you just push the key back in. Take the key. This is what the back looks like, and you put it down, get it in place, you push down, and it clicks in. You just double check it. Now if you're not comfortable doing this, or you don't know your computer, or if you feel like it has different keys in this type, most keys are like this, then I wouldn't do this, because if you're not a mechanically inclined person, it might not work out for you. So just do it carefully. It's easy pressure, pulling it off and putting it back on, and the keys are inexpensive to replace if something does happen. So I hope that works for you. Thank you. Bye.